Hey guys, CJJack13 here. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Rubik's Cube and put it back together again. Alright, first you're just going to twist this to the side like that. You can put your finger under one of these. That. And just pull it. It should come right off. If it doesn't, try using like a, I don't know, like a pencil or something to stick under there, or a screwdriver, even like a fork or something. Then you're just going to twist it until all of the parts fall off. Ooh, core, yeah. So now we've got all these pieces. So, to start putting it back together, you're going to grab any random two pieces, like green, yellow. You're going to put it where it belongs. Make sure when you put it back together, you put it back together solved. Otherwise, you can make it to where you can't solve it. You have to do this all over again. So green and yellow. I'm going to either find a green or a yellow two-piece. There's a green one. Green and white, I'm going to put it where it belongs. And get that. So, another green one. Green and orange. Put this one where it belongs. Just going to put it right here. And twist. And our last green one, green and red. Right here. So yeah, we're just gonna put this under here and twist it back up there. So this is basically what you're gonna keep your green side as for now. Now for the blue side, we're gonna find a random blue two-piece. Put it where it belongs. We're gonna push this right here and twist it to position. I'm gonna find the rest of the blue pieces. Blue, and one more right here. So yeah, we're gonna get our. I found my blue and white. It's down right here. I'm gonna twist it right there. A lot of people, when they can't fix a Rubik's Cube, they take off all the stickers and stuff and put them back solved. Don't do this. It's just gonna wear out the stickers, and they're gonna start falling off whenever you move them or whenever you try and touch them, and everyone's gonna know you cheated. This no one can know unless they actually can figure out a way, which I haven't yet. I've been doing this for a while. So that was the last part. Since you can't slide it in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tilt this slide. Right here, you have to be very careful. You get your last piece right here. Just move this right here slightly this way to where this can get in. Then you're gonna move. Once this is in, you're going to move this back and then move this one back. If you do it all wrong, they'll all twist out of place and you'll have to restart from the beginning. It's usually really easy. So you should have this green, blue. Alright, so you can take a random three-sided one. Red, green, white. And you're going to find where it belongs. Right there. You're going to take the one that goes on the opposite side of it, or in this case, white, blue, and red. And we're going to put this right here. Now we're going to find this piece, the white and red piece. Just going to put it in here. For what you're going to do is you're going to put it like this. From side view, I'm gonna sort of put it in there like that. Try to slide this bottom piece under there. Once it's under, just push it in. If it doesn't go right in, twist it to the side, and it should go right in. Now, the next random 3-piece. Got red, yellow, blue. Now we're going to find green, red, and yellow. Right here. Remember, if you don't put it back together solved, it can make it unsolvable and you'll have to restart. So red, yellow. Find that 2-piece. Once again, if it doesn't go right in, or if it's really hard, just twist it to the side, push it in. Like the way you got it out in the first place. So, grab another 3-piece. What else is there? And find where it fits, find the opposite one. And the last side. The last one, it's probably not even going to go in, even if you can get it in before. So yeah, you're probably going to have to twist it to the side and push it in. And look, it's solved. And, well, that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.